Good morning, boys and girls. This week went very fast. I can't believe it's the end of the week already. Have you had a good week? I hope so. Have you been enjoying the space material and everything? That's a fun thing to do. I have something for you to do to try at home if you're allowed to, but we'll do that a little bit later. Right now, we're going to get ready for circle time. And if you're sitting or just relaxing, and you can help me sing the songs. Let's start with hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Hello, everybody. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, my darling. What comes next, Absolutely. Probably all started already. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Good. Now let's just use our calming hands. Shh. Wiggle your finger. Up, down, breath in and out. Big breath in and blow it out. Good job. Okay, let's talk about our calendar. Who knows what the name of the month is? Do you remember? It is the month of April. It is. Well done. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Excuse me a second. So, got a tickly nose. If yesterday was Thursday, and it's the end of the week, what day is it today? Yes, it's Friday, the last day of the week for school. That's 2 no school days. I'll see you back here on Monday. So, then yesterday would have been number 23. What do you think today's number will be? I think we'll count today. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yesterday was 23, so that makes today, yes, 24. Okay, so today is Friday, April 24. So next week, next Friday, is going to be a new month, and it's going to start with the letter M. Maybe you can think about what it might be. And actually, there won't be any school next Friday because it's May. Oh, I just told you the name. But anyhow, it's May 1st, and it's a holiday, so no school next Friday. Okay, so what else shall we do today? Ah, yes, we shall do our letter sound today. Do you remember what it is? Yes, it's yeah. Yeah. And I kept on the board, the opposite of no is yes. And yikes! And remember I showed you two things the other day. One was a color, and that color was yellow. And I showed you a little pot of something. And you know what I did? I forgot. I showed it to you. I ate it for lunch yesterday. But it was yogurt, if you remember. Good. And then we have the Jolly Phonics page today. So we have the yeah. Now, yeah, normally yeah goes like this, but on this page they want you to make the line down. Oops, you can't see me. Sorry about that. It's usually straight, but on this page, it's more like a U and then down. You try that, a U, and then make a little curve. You'll see on here, practice writing your yas, excuse me, and then circle the yas in the words. Our words over here are yogurt, yellow, we've had those already, yo-yo, yes, and yard. Okay, and then there's a pot of yogurt. It has bananas on it. What color do you think you could color those bananas? So that's one of your activities for today. And I'm going to do another envelope of words, but I'm going to do that on a separate video. So we can do that in a few minutes. Right. And what have we been talking about this week? What do you think? What have we been talking about? Space and all the planets. So we have, do you remember what this big orange thing is? Yes, it's the sun. And next to the sun is the little planet, Mercury. And then we have Venus, which is the hottest planet. And then what planet do we have? Yes, Earth, and that's where people live. And then we have Mars, which is our little red planet. And then it's the biggest planet, which is Jupiter. And then we have Saturn, Uranus, and then Neptune. And then there was that little planet out here called Pluto. It's on the other sheet that you have. It's a dwarf planet now, but it's still there. And remember, there are rocks that fly around in space. They go around the sun, I think. They're called asteroids. And they fly around the particles of dust and things in space. Or big rocks. There are a lot of things floating around in space. Okay. Now, I'll show you in a little bit. So, for your space fun, I'm going to show you what I would do if I don't have a rocket ship. But that's also going to be another video. So you just have to be patient today. Okay? Thanks. But for your math today, I thought we could do, you should have this page and this page in your envelope. And so this one, I thought we could do two things. So remember we were doing, this one is matching. So you have to circle. So you look at these and you look at the line across, okay? And you see him, then you have to find the same one that matches him and put a circle around him, okay? But I also thought you could use your mirrors on the aliens and see if they're symmetrical, okay? So that's two things. So in this one, we're going to match, and then we're going to see if they're symmetrical. And then on this one, you're going to do the symmetrical thing again, even though it's the same aliens. We never know. Maybe they change from page to page. But this one, remember we were doing patterns a couple of weeks ago? So we're going to just review patterns with the aliens. So you're going to have to color in these aliens. What does it say? Color the alien that comes next in each pattern. So you're not going to color both, okay? So let's try the first one together. So we have yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. So which one comes next? Yes, the blue one. So you're going to color in just the blue one. So just color in one of these, the one that would come next in the pattern. So you have to look at the pattern, green, purple, green, purple, green. This one's a bit trickier. So we have, I guess he's orange. Orange, blue, blue, orange, blue. So you have to look and make sure you're following the pattern. Good, that is our math for today. Reciters. I can't think of those. My brain is still on my pillow, I think, today. So, did you guys all have a good night's sleep? And you're all awake and ready to work? Good. Well, before we start working, let's sing our space songs, okay? We have an alien song plus the moon song, so let's go to the moon first. You ready? Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're leaving very soon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! And off to the moon you go. One more time. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're leaving very soon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Now the alien song, you ready? About 3 little men in a flying saucer. 3 little men in a flying saucer came down to earth one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Zoom! How many does that leave us? 2. 2 little men in a flying saucer came down to earth one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Zoom! How many? 1. 1 little man in a flying saucer came down to earth one day. He looked left and right, but he didn't like the sight, so that man flew away. Zoom! Now how many are left? None. All right, let's try it one more time. 3 little men in a flying saucer came down to earth one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Zoom! 2 little men in a flying saucer came down to earth one day. They looked left and right, but they didn't like the sight, so one man flew away. Zoom! How many does that leave us? 1. 1 little man in a flying saucer came down to earth one day. He looked left and right, but he didn't like the sight, so that man flew away. Zoom! No, men, they didn't like it here on earth. So I don't have a story to read to you right now because I'm going to read to you on Zoom later today. So it'll be live story time today. So have a good day and enjoy your activities. Bye.